This is a Mendix Composite application developed in low code that provides a 360-degree view of any product. This app is connected to Teamcenter for PLM and Quality, SAP for ERP, Opcenter for MES, Simcenter for simulation, and Mindsphere for IIoT Field Data. All these connections are made without any customizations. This low-code application brings the data of these systems together as well as provides access to their key functions so the user can execute specific processes, all from a single user experience. Let's take a closer look. As he logs on, John will be able to select the manufacturing plant that produces a commercial-grade coffee maker. He gets a live stream of the production area, a confirmation of the product, as well as a few details of the systems connected to the app. John reviews the engineering data from Teamcenter and the list of materials with their 3D models, as well as the supplier purchase and inventory data we pulled from SAP. If required, he could initiate change requests or initiate new purchase orders for each material. He can also review all previously executed simulations in Simcenter and start a new simulation run for the spring damper with new parameters. Next, John takes a closer look at the manufacturing operations data provided by Opcenter. All production work orders can be reviewed and adjusted. There is additional information from the MES system displayed as efficiency of the manufacturing line and its resources, as well as basic shift and operator information. In order to gain more insights into the overall quality of the manufacturing, John can also review all supplier complaints and issues related to the materials they supplied. Detailed information and status are available, as well as the ability to advance or log a new complaint. We will now shift gears and look outside of the four walls of the design and manufacturing plant and look at what is happening with the coffee makers sold and in use. John starts by reviewing all logged customer complaints, their detailed information, status, and solutions, all provided through the customer complaint portal. In addition to the customer complaints, John can also take a closer look at the actual field data through a live Mindsphere IIoT data stream. We can see in real time how the machines are performing in use at the customer locations. Clearly, there is a problem with one of the machines located in Erlangen as its current operating efficiency is at 5%. A simple click will allow John to investigate root causes by reviewing pressure time series data, as well as logged nonconformances. But more importantly, as he reviews all the events over the last 2 hours, he can take action. In this specific case, John is made aware of high level of vibrations in the coffee maker. The application will guide him through the appropriate steps to respond to this problem. The first action is to send key information back to the engineering team related to the spring damper. The second would be to order replacement parts in SAP to address repairs. As part of the engineering request, John is given the opportunity to provide context as well as select the exact part from the bill of materials in Teamcenter. From the list of parts provided by the SAP system, John can also select the correct replacement part that needs to be ordered and shipped. At the same time, associated complaints will be logged and an audit trail captured. With this short demo, we have shown you how this low-code application can provide a 360-degree view of any product, enabling the user to get vital insights on how the product is designed, manufactured, and used. We have also shown you how this easy-to-use application will use that same 360-degree data to execute key processes with ease and in full compliance, enabling the user to efficiently respond to critical events. We were able to do all this from a single application without any customizing of the underlying systems, developed in low code with Mendix.
Product View 360 is an application that allows the user to connect quickly into many different applications. There are deep links into other systems which the user can use to navigate directly to a specific item, for example within Teamcenter. Although sometimes the requirements are for a generic link to quickly open an application, this is easily implemented in Studio Pro. Let's add this now. We will add a new item to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's open Studio Pro and go to Navigation in the Project Explorer. This shows all the menu items in the application and which user roles have access to them. By clicking on New Item, we will add a new menu item. We will call this Paperless SOP and select a relevant icon. In this example, using the New Window option works well. In the On-Click dropdown, we will specify that this button opens a link. We now have a few options for the link button. We will leave both the link type set to web and the address to use literal value. Then we'll enter the link where the button should forward to and click OK. Finally, you can drag the menu item anywhere in the navigation tree. In this case, I would like it to be above the logout button. Now hit save and press run to see your changes. Now we can log back in and you'll see the new link in the menu on the left navigation. If we click this, the Paperless SOP application will open.